Hello, I'm Megan. I'm Maddie with Activepieces Success Team, and today I'm going to show you how I use AI agents to make my life a little bit easier and how you can too. So, my customer service agent automatically drafts replies to incoming emails. Instead of writing each response from scratch, I find 70 to 100% ready to send drafts waiting for me in my drafts folder. This saves me at least an hour a day and frees up my mental energy. What's really neat about this is that when the tone or the content needs tweaking, I don't rebuild the flow, I update the agent itself, just like coaching a new team member. That change immediately propagates across every flow that uses this agent, so it always speaks in our voice. Here's how you set it up. So first, I create my agent. You click right here. I have mine ready right here. It's a customer service agent. You give it a name, a description. This is just so I can recognize it really quickly. And I give it instructions. You are a customer support bot. These are your tasks. Here's your tone. If ever in the future I don't like how an email draft turns out, I don't have to change the flow. I update the bot. And it's kind of like how you would, collaborate with a teammate or train an employee. You get to keep all of that good information in one entity, right? And it evolves with time. You can train it, and that's the really cool thing about bots. And now even with AI agents, I can have it do different flows and things like that with the same agent, with the same memory, with the same instructions, with the same tone. It's super neat. So I give it instructions, then I upload what tools. These are essentially pieces, and you can see all of the different pieces here. I went with Gmail. So I already have my Gmail connected, and you can see what I gave it permission to do. Now, let's say I don't want to give it this much power. I don't have to click everything. So for example, let's look at calendar. Google Calendar. Let's say I want it to create an event, but I don't want it to delete an event. Like, that's too much access. So you can really tune in on what you want to give it access to. So that's that. Now, structured output. This is pretty helpful. A lot of times you don't need to use this, but I have it here just to make sure everything works. So it generates a draft reply, so it's very clear. And I can keep adding tools or pieces and structured outputs as I go along, as I build more flows and I need it to do more things. So let's see how I embed this agent. So it's all set, so now it's part of the team. Let's see how I embed it here in the flow. So I have a pretty simple flow here. So I just get a new Gmail, then the agent, the bot, responds in the voice that I programmed it with, and then it creates a response, and that response is a draft. So let me show you how it works. So let's test it out. It is going. On the left side, we can see the run details, everything it's thinking and processing. So if I ever have an issue and I need to debug, this is a good place to look. Okay, it looks like it went through successfully. Let's look at my drafts. I'm going to refresh. And here it is in my drafts folder, ready to go. So it did a direct response. It actually took into account what I was saying. It has my signature. It picked up the name correctly. Now, if I wanted a more formal tone or a different sign-off, I simply tweak the agent's prompt and every draft updates instantly. That's the power of Activepieces AI agents. Simple to build, flexible to tune, massive time savings. Thanks for watching. This is Megan Amadi, signing off.